As Zimbabwe celebrated Heroes Day, opposition politician Nelson Chamisa lamented the vast disparities in quality of life and the struggles faced by ordinary citizens. Nelson Chamisa anachiti yes tinga celebrate independence but mararamiro ari kuita vanhu munyika yezimbabwe anoratidza kuti vanhu havana independence. Sana mina masvika buda ichaugamuzara nhasi notobva wasubscribe like turn on the bell icon. Tipina Mnangagwa Mchinzi in a wide ranging interview with the Newsday, senior reporter Miriam Mangwaya. Chamisa calls Zimbabwe a sick country with severe problems including high inflation, unemployment and poverty. Chamisa believes a political settlement is inevitable to tackle the country's challenges, emphasizing the need for a collective solution to Zimbabwe's crisis. We must have proper processes that produce proper leaders. People must not be skeptical about proper electoral and national processes because ultimately that is what we must fight to restore. If the path is broken, you must fix it. Let me put it in this way. If you eat a meal and you have stomach pains and diarrhea, do you move around and saying eating is not good? No, eating an improper meal is not good, but don't condemn eating because you ate a bad meal. Nelson Chamisa pana parika achiti aiwa tikufana kurestore tidzokere pasquare number 1. Noda kukuti yes vanhu vangati voting yakashata but tikufana kurestore kuti aiwa ngatibvise kuora kuri this electoral process yenyika yeZimbabwe kuti tikwanise kudzokera pa legitimate hwedu vanhu vakwanise kuwana rusununguko. Mashoko anotokwana Nelson Chamisa as nyika ichi celebrate heroes pamwe chete ne defense forces. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section medu musangano subscribe like turn on the bell icon.